Hey, Peggy, Luis, Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about superior restoration, and let's take a quick look at your website. We will start off with that. I like how you have your um, logo up here at the top. It looks really nice, your brand. I really like how you have all the employees in the picture in the front. That looks really nice. Let's see, you have your clickables down here in these different tabs. That's really nice. Okay, let's take a quick scroll down. Okay, don't see any more clickables. These pictures look like they're clickables. Okay, and that's it. Okay, but before we get in more in depth with website review, I like to talk about how you can uh, actually get found on Google. So when somebody say they type in water damage restoration, San Diego, California. Alright, so the first thing that pops up here at the top is the sponsored ads. Now that this is the first or one of the three ways in how you can be seen. This sponsored here, if you're up here, then your business name will show here. The second thing, or the second way that you could be found, is the map pack area right here in these three top organic uh, positions of the map pack. Now, 30% of your business will be at this area here, where your clients will find you. So if your business is up here, um, that's awesome. So 30% of your business comes from here. Um, and how to get up here is you need what's called citations in order to get up here and also optimize your Google business profile optimally. So that's the second way to be found. The third way to be found is in these organics up here, which is Yelp, Angie, and Bill Howie. So these are the these are the top three spots on how you can rank organically. Have you mind, this is the um, service area and the keyword that we are using to target this local area. So um, these are the top, these are the three ways on how you can be found. Just remember though that 70% of your business will come from these three spots. If you are on these three spots, I mean that's great. If you're not, um, 70% of your business will just be left on the table. So okay, so let's move on to what Google looks for um, in all this. So let's go back to your website. We kind of looked and scrolled down. I like how your contact information is down here. But what Google really looks for is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And from the looks of your website, it looks really nice. But I do notice that um, you do not have any keywords attached to your content. And you have, I would say, maybe 500 words of content for your home page. So that could be why you're not up there in that particular area. So let's take a quick look at your competitor, Bill Howie. So these guys are taking um, all your businesses. You can see Yelp, Angie, Bill Howie. Okay, so let's take a quick look at their website. If you scroll down, okay, I don't see any key words attached to their content as well, but it looks like they're beating you in the content area. I had checked on these earlier. I checked on this individual earlier, and they have a little over 2,000 words of content. See, and that's kind of overkill, so you don't really need that much. But what they're not doing is showing uh, enough keywords to back that up. So here's one right here, water mitigation. Um, that looks like it's saved properly, but that's all they got. So we could definitely attach more there, and we can beat these guys in content. So with that being said, let's move on. Um, this is a tool right here. It's called Ahrefs, and anyone can get this tool. It just shows a live view of any website that you want to plug into it. It shows the strength and also the trust that you have with Google. It has how many organic keywords are being used in your website. Um, so you want to make sure to have your organics high. So you're only getting 2 traffic to your website, and having a good built website built with the foundation up organically, you'll definitely get more organic traffic. So it's basically like your digital ATM machine, so to speak. So I mean that's really what's important here. The next thing you want to look at, let's kind of take a quick look at your keywords. So we have access to these, so I can see what keywords you're using for your website. Um, so it definitely okay. So it shows that these are the keywords that you're using to show on how you rank your website. So you only got one page, and these are the keywords that you're using inside your website. Now let's take a quick look at your competitors' power and see where they're at. Okay, here's Bill Howie. Here's an overview of his website. So let's click on Overview, and we'll check and take a look and see his backlink profile. Okay, so he's got 46 out of 100 scale of strength, 35 out of 100 scale of trust with Google. So he's got um, 3.1K of organic traffic, and that's a lot of traffic that he's getting up there. So, um, but that goes to show. I mean, look, as you can see, he's in the 3rd position on the top of the organic. So that's the reason why he's getting all this organic traffic. With his backlinks and all the organic keywords that he's using. So let's take a quick look at what he's using with his keywords, and we have access to all this. So if we wanted to target these keywords that he's going for, then we can. So, but yes, we have access to all these, and he's probably got about a lot of pages of keywords that he's using. So, in a nutshell, basically that's about it on the keywords and backlinks thing, on how they work. So, um, not all backlinks are created equal. So, I mean, there's people that have less backlinks and everything, but are ranking higher. So, and that's only because um, they're optimized properly with organic um, strategies for organic SEO strategies that we implement. So, um, remember what we talked about? There's 3 ways to be found. Here, the number 1, sponsored. Um, Second way, remembers that 30% of your business comes from the map packet area. And here you just have to optimize your Google business profile with citations. And the third thing is the organics. Um, what you would have to do with content, keywords, and all that with your website to get on these 3 slots. So I hope this information was good to you and that you can use it. Um, Peggy and Luis, thank you so much for your time. If you need a guide to help you in your journey, feel free to reach out. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I work for Peterson SEO. You can contact me at 505-331-7995. And also, if you need to email me, you can email me at Joshua at PetersonSEOconsulting.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.